Good morning. Could you tell me where I can find the admissions office?
Good morning. Certainly. May I know why you need to visit the admissions office?
I have an appointment for a campus tour today. They called me yesterday to confirm the time.
Okay, sir. Could you please provide your full name?
Sure. My name is John Smith. I'm here to learn more about the engineering program.
I see. Please wait a moment while I inform the admissions officer that you have arrived.
Thank you. I'll wait in the lobby. Please let me know when I can proceed.
John Smith.
Yes, that's me.
Mr. Smith, the admissions officer is ready to see you now.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm excited about the tour.
That's wonderful to hear. So, you're interested in our engineering program?
Yes, I received a call yesterday confirming today's appointment. I'm eager to learn more about what the program offers.
Great. Have you studied engineering before, or is this your first time?
I've taken some introductory courses in high school and participated in a few engineering competitions. I'm looking forward to diving deeper into the field.
That's excellent. We usually look for students with a strong passion for engineering.
I definitely have that passion. I believe I can contribute a lot to your program.
That's good to know. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. I'm from a small town in Ohio. I've always been fascinated by how things work, which led me to engineering. I was captain of the robotics team in high school, and we won several awards.
That's impressive. Why did you choose to study engineering?
My uncle is an engineer, and his work inspired me. I love solving problems and creating new things. Engineering seemed like the perfect fit.
What qualities do you think are essential for an engineer?
Critical thinking, creativity, and perseverance. Engineering often involves complex problems, and you need to be patient and innovative to find solutions.
Can you give me an example of a project you've worked on that demonstrates these qualities?
Sure. In my senior year, I led a project to design a solar-powered water purification system. It was challenging, but we managed to create a working prototype that helped provide clean water to a local community.
That's an excellent project. Can you tell me about your family?
I have one younger sister. My parents are very supportive of my interests. My dad is a teacher and my mom works in healthcare. They've always encouraged me to pursue my passions.
That's wonderful to hear. What are your greatest strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are my problem-solving skills and dedication. I'm always looking for new challenges and willing to put in the hard work to achieve my goals. My weakness is that I sometimes take on too many projects at once. I'm working on managing my time better.
Time management is crucial. Are you comfortable working under pressure?
Yes, I've had to manage tight deadlines during my robotics projects, and I thrive in such environments. I'm good at keeping calm and focused.
What has been the biggest challenge you've faced?
Moving to a new school in my junior year was tough. I had to adapt to a new environment and make new friends while keeping up with my studies. It was a challenging period, but I managed to excel.
That's admirable. You seem like a great fit for our program. I'm pleased to inform you that you've been accepted for a campus tour and further discussions. Please come tomorrow to meet some of our professors and students.
That's fantastic news. Thank you so much. I'm excited about this opportunity.
It was nice meeting you, John. Welcome to our campus. See you tomorrow morning.
It was my pleasure. I'll be here early tomorrow. Thank you again for the opportunity.